She's crazy. She wants to get up
She
with
said
me.
it. Yeah, she jumped off the back of the couch and she just flipped off the couch.
She needs to be into a tumble class. And then on into acrobats.
Yeah. I thought Joe's real flexible and...
Grandma's Hey, you got the hook in her hair, man.
Not allowing you to stay separate partners. I got fish. Check the fish.
No, you put the foot.
Come on.
Hey, stop.
It's hard to get, Grandpa. You gotta be patient to go fishing.
He knows how to do it.
You gotta be patient to go fishing.
I do it.